In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your Pages file into an editable and shareable Google Doc. And so there are several steps here that we're going to go through, and I'm going to take you through it step by step. Okay. The first thing you need to do is go and open up the Google Doc app and make sure that you're signed in. So I'm going to go find Google Docs, open it up, and just make sure that you're signed in. If you're not signed in, it will prompt you. Okay, now that we're signed in, we're going to press the home button, and now we're going to go find our Pages file. And the Pages file can be found in the Pages app. So we'll go ahead and open that up. And here's my lesson plan template that I want to turn into an editable and shareable document for multiple people. And so first thing that you want to do is go up to the share button at the top, and you're going to say open in another app, and we're going to say Word. Not sure if Pages will work or not, but I know that Word does. And so then I'm going to go find the app Google Docs, which in this case is going to say copy to Google Docs. Okay, now we're going to get a prompt that says save to Google Drive. Yes, basically your Drive is your main folder where your Google Apps, Google Sheets, Google Slides, all the Google stuff resides. Okay, so your Drive is your main folder. So yes, we want to save it to Drive. Okay, and there it is. I'm looking right at it. Oh, there we go. All right, so now it's in Google Docs, and you can see here at the top, in the top right corner, there's a few icons up there. These are Google Docs, and it says in the left corner back to Pages, so we know we can get right back to there. Okay, now that it's in Google Docs, what we need to do is make sure that it's shareable and editable for other people, okay, because only we can see it because it's just sitting in our Google Drive. So what we're going to do is we're going to tap the sharing icon, and that's the little person icon here in the top right corner with the plus sign, and it says edit with others. And so we want to tap that. And in order to edit with other people, we have to save it as a Google Doc. Okay, so we're going to basically, what's happening is it's converting the Word file that it's in to a Google Doc. So we want to save. And now it's an editable Google Doc file. It's not a Word file anymore. Okay, so now what we need to do is go to the pencil icon. So we want to tap the little person icon with the plus sign, and there's the pencil. And the pencil means who has editing rights. Okay, who's going to edit this document? Can they edit it? Can they comment, or can they view it? Okay, so you can actually make this document a view only, but we want to make sure that it's editable. Okay, so that's good. So the pencil is good. Okay, now right below that, it says who has access, and right now I'm the only person who has access. If you want to give access to a strict person or specific people, you can actually up in the top where it says people enter their Gmail address. Okay, but when you do that, that takes time and it gives specific people that access. But if you're doing a large group of people, it's just easier to tap on this lock here and say link sharing is off. We want to change that by tapping on it and turn it on. Okay, so basically what's happening here is whoever has the link to the document has access to it. And if you tap on the little icon, it looks like an eye. Basically it's who can view it. Okay, we want to make sure that that changes to can edit. So we want to say can edit, and it goes to the pencil. Okay, the pencil's the key because we want to give others editing rights to that document. Okay, now we should all be set. If you tap somewhere on the document, get rid of that sidebar. All right, now what we can do is we can actually tap inside, and we can get the cursor. We got to tap the pencil there and move the cursor to where we want to edit. So you can see that this is now an editable document. I can write my name. Okay, but now we need to give it to someone. So what we're going to do is go to the very top right corner where you see those three dots, and it gives us a few different options. Share and export. We tap that and it says copy link to clipboard. Okay, so now the link is copied. We can now paste it into Schoology or paste it somewhere on a website, on a blog. We can airdrop it to the next person. Wherever you put that link, as long as that person can get to that link, has access to the document. And that's how we share and make our documents editable using Google Docs on the iPad.